Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the solver add-in available. Enable it now and save a copy of your workbook. Next, identify your decision variables, objective cell, and a clear constraint area so solver can reference ranges without confusion. Once done, convert any formulas to consistent numeric formats and anchor fixed inputs with dollar references. This prevents accidental range shifts. Make sure your objective is either a single cell or a defined formula. Now open Data Solver to begin configuring the model. You will now set the objective and define the decision variables. First, choose Maximize, Minimize, or Value of and point to the objective cell. Then select the variable cell range. Contiguous ranges simplify interpretation, but you can pick multiple ranges. Add constraints one by one, choosing the relation and right-hand side. Include integer or binary constraints if variables must be whole numbers. Once all constraints are listed, pick a solving method. Simplex LP for linear, GRG nonlinear for smooth nonlinears, or evolutionary for discontinuous problems. You're ready to run Solver. Click Solve and decide whether to keep the solution or restore the original workbook. After a solution, inspect the objective value, the decision cell values, and which constraints are binding. Generate the answer and sensitivity reports when available for deeper insight. If Solver fails or returns infeasible, check constraint logic, relax overly tight bounds, rescale variables to avoid very large or tiny coefficients, and switch algorithms. Often moving from GRG to evolutionary or vice versa resolves tricky models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.